Hey guys, today I'll be showing you an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to forward park into a parking bay. Step 1. Keep a safe distance from the row of bays. Step 2. Line up your right wing mirror with the right-hand line of the parking space. Step 3. Turn your steering wheel to full lock to the right. Step 4. Move forwards slowly until the front of the car enters the bay. Step 5. As you move into the bay, straighten your wheels. Step 6. Continue forwards until your car is completely inside the bay and centered. Congratulations! Now you know how to forward park into a parking bay. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.